So the big news over the weekend was that the House Ways and Means Committee released their draft tax bill for the reconciliation activity. So this has been much awaited for. The House Ways and Means Committee is the all-powerful committee that approves these things. I read the bill in detail, and it's basically an extension of the Trump tax cuts from 2017. Now, we say extension, but actually it's making them permanent. It changes the wording, so rather than being a short term, they're now permanent. Of this, there are some small changes. The unified gift and inheritance lifetime exclusion is increased to $15 million from $14 million. The qualified business income deduction, which is very helpful for small startup businesses, is increased from 20 to 22%. And what I thought was probably the most significant part of this new bill is related to immigration. And you think immigration and taxes, how's that? Well, they've added an increase in the child tax credit, but a requirement that for each child claimed, you have to provide a social security number, and that people with social security numbers have to be U.S. citizens or nationals under a legal immigration program. They are giving the Social Security Department basically a year from when they sign this bill, which will probably be next month. So basically have until mid next year to clean the rolls of anyone who's not a citizen or national who's getting child tax care credits. It is extended to Medicare as well. If you want to get Medicare treatments, you have to be a citizen or a national. There's also an effort to do the same thing for Social Security payments. We'll see how that works out. What I found interesting about the House Ways and Means draft tax bill is what is not in it. What's not in it is the no tax on tips, the no tax on overtime, the no tax on expats, the no tax on capital gains. There had been discussion of a 39.5% income tax. That's not in this bill yet either. There is no change to the SALT tax deduction, which is very important to people in expensive states. And there is no cancellation of income tax on Social Security income. So most of the exciting proposals that the Trump administration had come forward with over the last 6 months, even into the campaign cycle, none of that is in this bill. It's primarily an extension of the 2017 tax cuts with some increases and the requirement that people be citizens and nationals to receive Medicare and child tax credits. I would say that most of the heavy, interesting work has yet to be done, has yet to be disclosed by the House Means Committee. And we'll have to just watch to see if they're going to try to roll these into this reconciliation bill, which they need to get passed by August at the latest, or is it something that they're going to roll into a fall bill to pass at the end of the year? Interested in your thoughts? If this information is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and follow. It means so much to us. Thanks very much.